Hi. Now, as the US elections are approaching close and close, the world is going in flames. We have seen whatever is happening in Middle East vis-a-vis Lebanon front. We have also seen some time back that Mr. Vladimir Putin, he has given a nuclear threat to Ukraine. So why these all things are happening? The reason behind is that those in power in this sector who needs United States the most, they are seeing this as a window to do anything or everything they want to, because with Biden administration we can say that there is no real foreign policy going on, and that is the reason the whole world after Trump, actually whole of the world is in flames. And this administration is one of the weakest in the American history, the Biden administration, and that is the reason that let it be Ukraine or European Union or Israel, they all think that during these last days of Mr. Joe Biden, let us do everything and anything we want to, and make the situation according to us. That may have consequences, but the reason is the lame duck president who can't do anything right now. Now, if Trump is in power, definitely Ukraine front, he will stop aiding Ukraine. He has already said vis-a-vis Israel, he is a supporter of Israel, but you never know what tomorrow he will do. So there will be restraints. Even if Kamala Harris comes, there will be vis-a-vis, especially vis-a-vis Israel, she will be 100% supporter, but with restraints. But some things need to be worried about, and Alexander Dugin from Russia, who is thought to be the ideological mentor of Mr. Vladimir Putin. I don't know whether he is or not, but yes, he is of some significance. He has written an article in which he said, actually he wanted to say that since Iran is having restraints, and Iran is observing restraints and making calibrated move vis-a-vis Israel, that is the reason the President Raisi is no more, so and his pager is also no more, and Hezbollah is also no more, and Hamas is also no more. So he wants that now Iran should take out its gloves and should not actually have any restraints, and he is hinting the same thing to Putin as well. He wants that Putin should also remove his gloves and should not have any restraints, and these all things happen when the center of the world, which since 1991 was Washington, has a lame duck president. Thank you.